just need coffee, I think. Hey everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing the IPSY bag, and I haven't opened mine yet, so I have no idea what is in here. I don't really care for this bag too much. It's just kind of like this mesh kind of fabric, and it's neon, and it's not really my thing. Let's see, it's just, I don't think it's very cute this time. So, but the important thing is what's in it. So let's see, I pull out first. So the first item is, what is this? I think it's an eyeliner, but it's not really saying. It just says Fierce Flick, so I'm guessing this is just an ordinary black liner, but it doesn't even give me the color, which is really weird. Oh. Okay, well, let's just open it and see if I can even open it. Oh, gosh. I was able to at least get the lid open, so it is just like a felt tip black liner. I think I mean, it looks pretty good. Oh my god, look how black and pigmented that is. Liking it, okay. Okay, so it's by Ciate London, which I looked it up and it says they are sold at Sephora, which honestly I've never seen them, but maybe I just wasn't looking. I don't know, but anyway, I think it's really good. I really like how pigmented it is, so I am definitely going to give this a try. Alright, moving on to the next item. It is a liquid matte long wearing liquid lipstick in the shade Pumpkin, and it's by So Susan Cosmetics. So it looks like this kind of burnt orange color. It's very fall, I will say that. And the dog just came in. I mean, the packaging feels kind of cheap. It's just, I mean, it's pretty standard. Plastic, it has this flat top, but again, the important thing is the product, and it doesn't come on very smooth. Let's see. Okay, well that time it kind of did, but it's still very streaky. I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna wear this color, to be honest, but it's not a bad color. I just don't think it's really me. But let's see, it says it is cruelty free. That's pretty much it. Again, I've never heard of this So Susan brand, but we'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. Oh my god, okay, so I love when they give face mask in here, and this one is a charcoal. So this one is a charcoal wash off mask. I mean, aren't they all wash off? I don't know what that means, but anyway. So it says it's a 15-minute facial therapy. Deep cleaning mud-based formula unclogs pores and lifts away impurities for all skin types. And it's by Global Beauty Care. I mean, I just don't understand why they had to put on the wash off mask. Like, isn't that pretty self-explanatory? Like, is everyone gonna wash it off? I don't know. But we're just gonna see how it kind of... There's not a smell, which is good. I'm just gonna put the tiniest amount because I kind of do want to try it. I don't want to waste it. But I just want to feel how the texture of my skin. Okay. So it's right here. It's very, very soft. Yeah, I'm just really excited to try it. Oh, let's see if this has a smell. Let me even check. I think I just got it on my nose. It does have a smell. It has a... what is that? Bubblegum. It smells like bubblegum, and to be honest, I hate the smell of bubblegum. I don't like it. Now I'm really not gonna use it because I don't like that smell. So moving on. Let's see, what is this? This is it's by The Balm, but what is it? Okay, so it's just a highlighter slash eyeshadow. Can be used as anything. I love these. I love these little products and they put them in there because they're so freaking cute. Like, look at them. I mean, I think it gives a pretty good amount of product. If it's just a single eyeshadow, I mean, it's a pretty big pan of it, you know? So I'm gonna swatch it right here. Can you guys see that? I can't even really see it. Let's see. Do some more. Okay. I can kind of see it. I don't know. It's right there. It's very, very light. Nothing too extreme. Excuse me. Good boy. Okay, so, I mean, I would not use this as a highlighter. It's just too, I don't know. Actually, I might, because it is very subtle, and sometimes I just want a very subtle highlight and not too much. Like today, I think I'm using the Tarte one. Oh my god, I cannot think of the name, but it's by Tarte. I'll link it down below. But this one is a lot more subtle, and it would be so good if you want that like no makeup look. Just put some of this on your eyes, it's on your cheekbones, and I think you'd be good to go. So yeah, I really like this one. Good. All right. We have two more. We have a Caviar CC cream. 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in hair perfector. I have never heard of a CC cream for your hair. Just so weird to me. Like, honestly, I'm not too big on hair products. try new things on my hair. I just feel like my hair is very sensitive, and I know it's kind of a weird thing to say about hair, but I just like the routine I have. All I do is put in some Moroccan oil in my hair and some hairspray after I curl it a little bit, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm not too fancy with the hair, really, but oh, you're not going to be able to see it on camera, but it's so moisturizing. Like, it doesn't feel like this. This feels extremely oily and creamy, but I mean, if you're someone that needs to like, if you're someone that has like maybe really dry hair, or you just kind of want to like repair it, I think this would be a really good product, because it does feel really good, but I don't think it's gonna work on my hair. I think it's just too moisturizing, and it's gonna weigh it down. So, recap. These two products I do not like. I don't really like the consistency on this liquid lipstick. I don't like the smell. The color is not really for me, so yeah, it's not gonna be my thing. The hair CC cream, really cool idea. It feels really good, but it's not gonna work on my hair. Eyeliners, I try so many eyeliners, and sometimes they could just be a fail, but this looks like it's going to work. It doesn't even move on my hand. I'm like rubbing it, and like nothing's really coming off, so I'm guessing it's waterproof, but like I said before, this doesn't give me information whatsoever on this thing. Okay, and then this one I do like, and this is the one I am most excited for. I love face masks. I cannot get enough of them, and charcoal is absolutely my favorite. It just feels so, it just makes my face feel so good, so clean. It purifies everything. It just gets in your skin and just makes it feel so good. So I'm really excited to try this one. So yeah, and again, the bag, not really my thing. I don't really like this mesh thing, but I mean, it kind of looks like an athletic-y kind of bag. So I mean, if you go to the gym a lot or whatever you like to do those kind of like activities, I think it would be a really cool bag to take or something in that manner. I don't think it's very fashionable. I don't know. That's kind of mean. No, I mean it's cute, but it's just not my style, like, whatsoever. I mean, I think the December one was so much cuter. So I guess my expectations were just a little high compared to that one. But I mean, it's not bad. So the 3 out of 5 products are good. I'm really excited to try these. These two, probably gonna throw away or give to someone because I'm not gonna use them. So that's it for unboxing our IPSY bag, and I'll be back next month. Well, I mean, I'll be back before next month, but I'll do it again next month, see if it's better, see if we can get at least a 4 out of 5 this time. These IPSY bags are just so unpredictable. Sometimes I don't like anything, sometimes I like 1, this time I liked 3. So it's just a mystery, and we're just gonna keep going. Also, my Sephora one's supposed to be coming in this week, so that will probably be the next video. Actually, kind of, I think I prefer the Sephora one usually, but we'll see. I mean, last month I really did enjoy the IPSY one more than the Sephora, so we'll see how it compares. I'll let you know. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!